Imagine being the most promising star in Hollywood and waking up on a concrete floor in a 6 by 9 foot cage. No fans.
No cameras.
No drugs. Just you, the smell of bleach, and the realization that you finally hit rock bottom. In 1999, Robert Downey Jr. was an Iron Man. He was prisoner P13228, and in cell 405, he learned a truth so brutal it either kills a man or makes him a god. It's called the zero option. And if you're feeling stuck in your life right now, you need to hear exactly what happened in that cell before it's too late for you too. The USA loves a hero, but it loves watching one fall even more. RDJ was the poster child for wasted potential. He was found wandering barefoot, hallucinating. He crawled into a neighbor's bed because he didn't know where he was. He was a slave to his own dopamine. But the real prison wasn't the one with bars. It was his mind. Most of you watching this right now are in the same prison. You're addicted to your phone, your comfort, and your excuses. You think you have options. RDJ thought so too, until the judge took them all away. Cell 405 wasn't a movie set. It was Corcoran State Prison, home to Charles Manson. RDJ recalls being surrounded by the most dangerous men on earth. He was beaten. He woke up in his own blood. But that wasn't the worst part. The worst part was the silence. In that silence, he realized the zero option. When you have nothing left to lose, you have two choices. You either become a permanent victim of your past, or you decide that your current self must die so the winner can be born. Listen to me closely. You are failing because you think you have time. You think you can change tomorrow. You think you have the option to be average. RDJ learned that average is a death sentence. He looked at his life and realized, I am the problem. Not the drugs, not the law, not Hollywood.
Me.
That is the zero option.
No escape. No exit.
Only the brutal, bloody path of self-discipline. Are you tired of being a loser? Are you tired of watching others win while you rot in your own cell for 0.5 of laziness? The world doesn't owe you a comeback. You have to take it by the throat and rip it out of the hands of fate. RDJ walked out of those gates and did the impossible. He didn't just get a job. He became the highest paid actor in history.
Why?
Because he never forgot the smell of cell 405. He used his pain as rocket fuel. You don't need a prison cell to change. You just need to realize that your current life is a prison. Every time you pick up that phone instead of working, you're adding another day to your sentence. Every time you lie to yourself, you're locking the door. What is your cell 405? Is it your debt? Your body? Your fear? Robert Downey Jr. survived the zero option. Now it's your turn. Stop being a ghost. Stop being a victim. Go into the dark. Do the work. And come back as a king. Or stay in the cell and rot. The choice was always yours.
See you soon in the next video.